Bro.
What's up?
What's up, guys? Star and Toby. What's your YouTube?
King Chakuu.
Alright, spell that out.
KING. CU. No, yeah.
Really?
CHA.
You know it's for your own freaking YouTube. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Annie. What's your YouTube name? D-Wait.
Oh my god.
I have a sword.
I don't know who the frick that was though, but let's go. Oh my god.
Dude, I jumped over it. Oh.
Oh. I got. Yeah.
Where are we gonna go? Oh,
I
Jesus.
just fell right there. Come on, little buddy.
Sick.
Lego.
Which way, left or right?
Right.
Go left.
Let's go left.
Adventures with King Chakuu.
Alright, we're at the beach right now.
Toby.
What?
The Adventures with Choco Flan, Ghost, and King Jack.
Hey, what's your YouTube name?
I'm
Christy.
I'm the derpter.
The Derpter?
Yeah, I'm the derpter.
Alright, we're in the ocean right now. We're at the ocean right now.
Yeah,
I'm
we're
about to
at
get
the
in.
ocean. Wow. Amateur. Hello, this is the derpter, and I'm recording. Hello, it's a derpter. It's a derpter. Kind of recording them poops. Just watching them poops. Thinking.
In a world where three dumbasses walk the wilderness. Starring me. Oh my god, look at this water. Whoa, 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 whoa. What's that? What's that black star here about? Oh my god, what is happening? Wow, wow, wow. Hey, fine.
Pop. Bro.
You know, killing it out here.
Hey, go do a cartwheel, bro.
Dude.
I can't do it.
Ooh.
That's not how you do a cartwheel. This is. Here, hold this.
Nailed it, man.
Wait.
Oh.
Oh, do a backflip. Do a backflip.
I can't do that.
Bro, just try.
That's hard.
Just try.
Yeah, I can.
Just do it. Do a freaking front flip.
It's sprinkling.
Do a front flip. Go on.
It's hard.
Day 1. New York. Right? Can we in Sedona?
Yeah, it's kind of snowing. It was snowing yesterday.
For a first day
Now it's
here.
sprinkling.
Alright, let's go take you my MTB. This is the MTB cribs. Let me go show you around real quick.
See, we got the caca water right here. We got the caca water right here. No.
Hey, wait, say that again?
We got the caca water. Ooh. Ooh. Don't you keep on
It's a little
going?
stank over here, bro.
No.
It's a little stank.
I'm gonna take you in my showers. See,
Wait,
there was a fence here, you know. I just took it down, you know.
there is curtain.
Oh, then I'll share it with you, Chris.
You did.
Hey, we got your showers or what?
Yeah. You know, I got that extra pack.
Alright,
Just in
take
case.
the 10 one.
All right, let's go. All right, let's.
Hey, you got your own bathroom, bro.
Yeah, done. Let's go.
Yeah. I got nature.
Sometimes like jump over.
Ooh, chill, bro,
you know.
chill.
Look.
No, just extra style.
Alright, can you take a shower for me?
Yeah, dude.
Alright, thanks, bro.
Yeah.
Run, go, Chris, go. Go, run.
First class restrooms. No, I got two.
Yeah, they be fresh.
No. They're extra stanky. I don't want to go in there, you know.
Yeah, it's fresh.
No, I don't want to go in there. It's probably like more like 15
Probably other ones.